Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Hopefully one of those will apply to you. This is DMAC, and today I'm going to attempt to pick this Ruko FlexCore. Quite not an intimidating keyway, but it looks worse than it is because it's actually open on this right side. And I should be able to get in there with this 19 thousandths pick off the bottom. Yeah, it's a Lock Tools teardrop profile, and I use this little hand vise. These are a five pin lock, 5-pin core. Sorry, there we go. Came in there. Use my thumb, I think that's more comfortable. And let's go down to the back and see what we got. So click on 5, there's a slight movement on the core, that's 4, nothing on 3, that's a little click on 2, and a little one on 1. Let's go back to the back again. That was 5, 3, 2, and 1. These have the ASA spools in them with a matched counter milling, so I find the best way is to get a little click and then move on to the next pin and just keep on going up and down the stack, back and forward until we get an open. That's 3, that's 2, sorry. That's 5, a little bit of counter rotation, it feels like, on him. There we go, a little click, and when I click on 1, yeah, I'm using this hand vise today to hold this. I'd normally use my vise, but unfortunately I'm using that to hold the camera. So I'm going to have to suffer with this, see if I can get an open. Find that I get a bit of fatigue in my hands there from gripping it. There's a nice click on 3, and on 2, and on 1. I think we're getting closer. Go to the back again. There's a little one on 5, and 2, nothing on 1, so we'll come back to the back. 5 again, I think. If I could drop something then, that was 2, drop down. That was 5, and we're open. Fantastic. Okay, let's get these picks out of the way, and then I can see about getting this open. Okay, got a couple of screws on the back, and let's just try and move this camera down, put him down there so you can see him. There we go. I do have the keys for this one, so I'm going to lock him back up. What is he? I don't know which one he is. Let's try them all. There we go. Got the key. Okay, he's locked. Take these screws off, take this little plate off, and we should be able to gut him and see what's inside. Let's get the follower ready. And slide him out. There we go. Okay, yes, we've got the 5 pins there. Let's dump them all out. Where's my tweezers? There we go. So it looks like we've got a master wafer there on one. We've got two master wafers on two. And master wafer on three. I mean, all of these master wafers were in the course, they didn't particularly help me get it picked. And there we go. Let's just have a look at that core there. Oh, you can just see on the top there, that slight counter mill in there, designed to catch the ASA barrel pins, which should be in the top here. Let's just have a look. Yep, there we go. That's a barrel on one. Barrel on two. And three. And four. And five. So let me just arrange these, make them look pretty for you. And we'll see what we got. Okay, so there you go. There's our core with a slight counter mill in, which you can't quite see. And you can just see it there on the edge. And we've got 5 ASA barrel spins and standard pins on the bottom. Master wafers in 1, 2, and 3, and nothing on 4 and 5. There's the key for this one, which is pretty good bitting on that. Obviously we've got the higher one in the back. Yeah, so there we go. That was the Ruko Flex core. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again.